Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be doing a new nail polish of the week video. I have actually pre-recorded this one. I think it was like a week before I got that tear in the nail bed of my middle finger, so that is why my nails still look perfectly fine here and actually a little longer than they are at the moment, because I have shortened them for like half a centimeter. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But as usual, grab your own nail supplies and paint your nails together with me and start off with a base. I'm just going in with one I have on my work desk all the time because this one was that expensive that I feel like I'm gonna use it up, even though it is not the greatest base coat. It isn't a bad one, this one by Chanel, but I just feel like I think I paid like 25 euros for this, and you know, it is not the best, it is not the worst, it is just right in the middle. But then again, 25 bucks for a base coat is just that expensive that I'm going to use this one up to the fullest, as best and as far as I can. Because you know, I am Dutch and I like to use up my products and not waste, and maybe even sometimes save some money. So yeah, that is why I'm just going to use it up. Once again, if you want some more information on how I feel about some Chanel nail polishes as well, like colored nail polishes, I have done a video, I think it's like a year ago already, in which I tried Chanel nail polishes for the first time. So if you're curious about that, definitely look that one up on my channel. I won't mention any other spoilers, just check it out if you're curious about them. But yeah, I'm just going to apply that to all of my nails. As usual, I have a little bit of a gel base coat and a gel top coat to strengthen them, because I have quite a manual heavy duty job, and to maintain these long luscious nails I need a little extra lately. I have actually worked with my bare nails for a really long time, but you know, especially with like the tear in my nail bed happening, I just feel a little bit more secure with that base and top coat, which is gel polish. But yeah, the color I will be using in this week's nail polish of the week video is one by Essie. I think I got this one in the advent calendar, but I'm not quite sure, to be honest. I really can't remember if this was from a separate collection or if I got it from the 2021 advent calendar. I really can't remember. I think it's the advent calendar, but you know, brain farts all over the place. So yeah, I really don't know, but it is number 800 and called Find Me an Oasis. This one is one of those perfectly icy blues with a ton of gray in there. It is a really beautiful wearable color, very neutral, of course, like neutral to wear, I mean. Of course it is more of like a cooler undertone since it is an icy grayish blue, but it is definitely a color I feel like a lot of different people can pull off, no matter what your like skin tone or undertone is to your skin. Because you know, sometimes if you have a warmer undertone, cooler color tones like this one might clash a little, but I don't feel like this one will clash on a lot of different people, in my opinion. It is just really lovely. Of course it isn't completely opaque within that first coat, but never judge a polish by its first coat, because it can be completely opaque within just 2 coats, which was the case for this polish as well. So yeah, don't like be scared or freak out if you feel like, okay, this is going to be a sheer streaky polish, because the first coat is just a hot mess. Relax, chill out. It will definitely be fine when you have added that second layer after the first coat is completely dry. That is something that I see a lot for Essie polishes in general. The first coat can always be a little patchy, maybe a little streaky, a little sheer, but like 99% of the time, especially with the newer collections that they've come out with the last couple of years, I feel like it is completely opaque within that second coat. Of course, there are always polishes that are supposed to be and meant to be sheer, so don't expect those to be completely opaque within 2 coats. I know that Essie has a lot of like ballerina pink, light pinks, baby pinks that are supposed to be sheer to just apply onto the natural nail as it is, to make your nails like look very naked but better, if you know what I mean. Kind of like a no makeup, but then in nail polish form, like a no nail polish look. Let's just put it to that. But yeah, this one is pretty much opaque within that second coat, and you really don't have to apply a ton of product. Of course, if you have really long nails or just longer nails like I do, you want to have a little bit more product onto that brush so you can actually really just wipe it on like it's no biggie. Because if you have like too little product on your brush and you still have a long way of nail to go, let's just put it to that, you might have to go back into your bottle and it will become a little bit of like a streaky mess if you can't just swipe the brush in one go down the nail. Of course, you can definitely go over it with like an extra little bit, but I just feel like, especially for creamy lighter colors like this, it works best if you can just swipe over your nail just in one go, just like once down the middle, once to the right side and once to the left side, and your nail is completely covered. I feel like that is the way to go for lighter polishes like this. Of course, there is no shimmer in this one, so you don't have to be scared for any streakiness or like you know, when you have like those pearlescent or super shimmery metallic-y kind of polishes, those tend to be a little streaky. I didn't have any issues with that for this one, because it is completely creamy. There is no shimmer or anything in here. It would be really beautiful with like a light, like silvery or bluish kind of shimmer in there, I can imagine. But you know, that is not the case for this particular polish. It is just a nice creamy icy grayish blue. Let's just put it to that. But after your colored coats are completely dry, you want to go in with your top coat. I'm just going in with a glossy top coat by Chanel. This is also the one that I tried for my first time trying out Chanel polishes that I did last year. I actually don't dislike this top coat. Once again, it isn't like my number one holy grail top coat, but it really isn't bad. But if you're like, okay, I don't want to spend like 23, 25 euros for just a top coat, just skip this one and go for one by PJR Care nail polishes. Those are, I think, around 15 euros, so you're already like 10 bucks down. Or just go for a Catrice Cosmetics one. Those are around 3 to 4 euros. Or an Essence Cosmetics one. Those are around 2.50 if I remember correctly. Those are really, really good as well, and actually have kind of like a similar end result, drying time and finish. So yeah, if you're like, I want to save a little money and I don't really like to spend that much money, or maybe your budget isn't like reaching that far, definitely don't break the bank or your back and get this one, because there are really, really good ones out there that are very similar, maybe even better, for a lower price range. But yeah, this was the entire new nail polish of the week video already. Oh, and I really want to thank you for all of the well wishes, because I got pretty sick like a week, 1.5 weeks ago. I have already gotten a ton better. I'm already working again full time for like a week now. So thank you guys so much for all of your kind words and messages and so on. I really appreciate that. But yeah, this was it so far. Let me know what you think about this color and if it's something that you would like to wear. And of course what you're wearing right now. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much and I hope to see you in my next video as well.